Hey guys, Hobbybox604 here doing a group break 451, the 1314 Panini PRIZM. I'm just going to show you the serial number here ending in, what does it end in? 958. There you go. So good luck, and let's pull something crazy. Go, empty box. Alright, here we go. Harry Pessinen, rookie for the New Jersey Devils. There we go. This one there.
Base on that side.
On this one? Oh yeah, sorry. Sorry.
Mm.
I confused myself already. And we have Andre Palat, rookie for the Tampa Bay Lightning. Base. We have an Endless Impressions PRIZM for Guy Lafleur for the Montreal Canadiens. Let's see, there you go. Is it numbered? Nope. And we have Alex Petrovic, rookie for the Florida Panthers. And we have a Ryan Miller refractor for the Buffalo Sabres. There we go. Just going to see if it's numbered. No. And we have Anthony Peluso, rookie for the Winnipeg Jets. Sorry guys, my camera's not focusing too well. There we go. Let's hit something crazy. We have an Eric Goodbranson die cut, orange die cut for the Florida Panthers. And it is numbered 39 of 50. There we go. Nice. And we have a Ben Hanowski, rookie for the Calgary Flames. Oops, 2 packs there. And we have a Jared Stahl, rookie for the Carolina Hurricanes. Drew Shore, rookie for the Florida Panthers. We have initial impressions for Emerson Edom for the Anaheim Ducks. See, that one's not numbered. And we have an Eddie Pasquale, rookie for the Winnipeg Jets. Opening very well. Ines Rask rookie for the Nashville Predators. Sorry. And we have a Scott Hartnell black bordered for the Philadelphia Flyers. It is a 1 of 1.
Who's that Philly?
I'm not sure.
Anything of it?
1 of 1. So that's the second one we've hit in the second Wednesday. We hit one for Winnipeg last week.
Oh my god, that's mine.
Oh, nice. There you go. There you go, Andy.
Oh my gosh.
Very nice. And that was just the base card that was behind it, guys.
Oh my god.
I have to take a picture of that before you go.
Yes, of course.
Crazy. Second. Was it you I was talking about pulling 1 of 1s with?
Yeah?
Oh, hilarious. All right. Base, 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 base. And Mark Kundari rookie for the Calgary Flames. That's pretty sick, actually. Amazing. All right. Base. We have a net defenders for the Phoenix Coyotes of Mike Smith. There we go. That one is not numbered. And we have a Philip Forsberg rookie for the Nashville Predators. Oh, this one's giving me trouble. Sorry, guys. Let's see, base, base, base. Oh, something. The rookie is Jason Akeson for the Philadelphia Flyers. And we hit a Shea Genoway autograph for the Washington Capitals. I know his jersey says Minnesota, but on the back it says Capitals there. It is not numbered. Not numbered. And that was just the base card behind.
He goes, you're on fire.
I know.
It's my hands, Julie.
I know, right? Let's see. We have a Sean Collins rookie for the Columbus Blue Jackets. Go. That's one. A Radko Gudas rookie for the Tampa Bay Lightning. And a Alex Killorn rookie auto for the Tampa Bay Lightning. This one is not numbered, and that was just a base card. A rookie of Charlie Coyle for the Minnesota Wild. Oh. There we go. Two more packs to go. And base. Oh, that one is a rainbow of Danis Zubras for the New Jersey Devils.
A rainbow?
Yeah, like the shine is different. See how it's...
Why is it cut in half? Oh no, there's...
Yeah. That one's a hit. And a rookie of Mikael Granlund for the Minnesota Wild. Sorry guys, just making some room. And we have base. A rookie of Alex Chasen for the Dallas Stars. 3 packs left. A Richard Panic rookie for the Tampa Bay Lightning. There we go. 2 packs left. A Nick Bukestad rookie for the Florida Panthers. Thank you, Andy. And last pack, guys.
All green pack, I think. Oh, no, minus it. Not green. Minus
it. A immortalized die cut of Phil Esposito for the Boston Bruins. That one's not numbered. Go. And a Igor Bobkov rookie for the Anaheim Ducks. There we go, guys. Thank you so much, and we'll see you soon.